In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Super Lonely by Benny featuring Gus Dapperton, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. So to play Super Lonely, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, we need to know 3 chords in order to play this song. And those chords are G major 7, A minor, and E minor. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord that we're going to learn is G major 7. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is G major 7. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that string pattern on the G major 7 chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, 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 down, up. Now to make this string pattern a little bit more interesting and percussive, we're just going to add a chuck to the 2nd and the 3rd down strum of this pattern. It's going to sound like this. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that pattern now on the G major 7 chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Also, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to cover the chord progressions for the song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. Section 1 is going to be for the intro, the verses, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro, and section 2 is going to be for the pre-choruses. Now the first section, which again is for the intro, the verses, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro, we're just going to play G major 7 for 8 beats and A minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second section, which again is for the pre-chorus, we're going to be playing E minor for 4 beats, G major 7 for 4 beats, and A minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major 7, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Super Lonely. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm a sad guy in this big world. It's a mad world. All of my friends know what's happened. You're a bad thing. I know I messed up. I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just thinking about where I should have been. I've been lonely. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lonely. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lonely. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Super Lonely. And that's how you play Super Lonely by Benny featuring Gus Dapperton. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome Metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so that you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.